What if a business did just walk across the street and apply at the bank? What's likely to happen? What's the biggest downfall of them just showing up at their local bank?
So the biggest downfall really, as my father mentioned, is one, the lack of relationship, and that's important. But there's some other downfalls that come to it. And it comes as no surprise, banks are in the business of analyzing risk, lending risk. So the banks obviously want to lend to those they feel are a safe risk. And if you walk into a bank with no relationship, with no business credit history, with no scores, with no ratings, you really have all things stacked against you. And the problem is you lack credibility from the bank's point of view. You're not necessarily a safe risk. And so what we do is we help build up that history. We help build up the file, the scores, the ratings. We introduce that relationship, and so now that business becomes credible. It becomes a safer risk for the bank. Not to mention that a lot of our coaches are past bank underwriters, so we know exactly what the banks are looking for, what they want to see, what they don't want to see, and we make sure to train the clients to make sure they meet underwriting criteria before they apply. So now that 95% of businesses being declined turns in reverse. 95% are being approved because we know exactly what they're looking for, and we help the business get in really compliance before they go and even apply.
So things are lined up beforehand. It's not necessarily that this bank doesn't want to loan you money, but you've got to have it presented as you show them how to present the package, so it's going to get funded.
Banks want to loan money. That's how they make money, right?
Now that's shocking today. Is that still true?
That's still true. Banks are in the business to make money. However, they're not going to take risks to make that money. They're going to lend to safe businesses. Our goal is to make that business a safe risk.
Yeah, your clients say that banks are in business to loan money. That's what your clients all say. That's what I'm hearing, which is great.